Right now I can see the Sri Pada mountain or Adams Peak through the white clouds. You can see there it is, third highest mountain in Sri Lanka, and it's so beautiful. It's a very sacred place for the Buddhist people, not only for Buddhist, a lot of tourists go there, and not only Buddhist people, because they believe that the footprint of our Lord Buddha had kept there, and that's why people actually consider it as a sacred place and visit that place on daily basis, hundreds of thousands of people. And yes, from far away I can hear the sounds of spirit reciting and reciting stanzas, Buddhist stanzas I can hear, and because loudspeakers are used for that purpose, and I can hear the stanzas recited by the monks. And now you can see the Sri Pada mountain. See, so there were some drops of blood in the morning time. Now I will show you if they are still there. Yeah, here it is. This is the blood drops. We don't know whether these animals have captured, the leopards captured an animal, and don't know exactly tell. However, nevertheless they are real hunters in the wild. And there is a monkey on that tree, you see. There it is. Among the branches of that tree, the monkey is staying. Those are the information I have got right now, and I'll try to actually capture a picture of that animal as soon as possible, if it is possible, if it is a possibility, and I will definitely do it. Don't know. Thank you for watching.